common to many caravans. Probably you recognise it better if I turn it over the other side. Hopefully it doesn't all fall out. You have a screen. And you have the block out. So you've got some over sleeping in the morning. And what commonly happens with them is that you break off a small plastic lug. This one here has been broken off there. You see the one on that end has got one on either side. That one's got one either side. That one's got one either side. There, it's got one. Sorry. My camera works leaving something to the side. That one there's got one either side, but that one's only got one. Now what I propose to do, I've repaired this in a different way previously, where I purely just put a cut there and ran the cord through it. This time I'm going to put a screw in its place and run it around that. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, now you should be able to see the screw I've put in place. So now, instead of having cables running everywhere, you can see this cable comes up, this cable comes up here, runs around there, this cable comes along here and back along there. Now this one here that previously was hanging down has got a screw there that runs around and back that way. This one here, it's not very good, but you can see that lip there, it runs back around there. And so it's once again okay. You can see that it can't video and hold it at the same time, but you can see that it now works alright. It's a simple matter of popping it back into the Caravan. Well, here's the finished article. Working better, or at least as well as it has at any stage while we've had it. Bearing in mind this Caravan's only 2 years old, or at least the local supplier in relation to obtaining another small section, which is all I would have needed to fix this. I was told that I could buy nothing other than the complete section, and that was going to cost me $200 or so. So that's my motivation for put this on YouTube. Hopefully other people will save some money and do this themselves. Good luck to you all.